everybody, Tamara here with Minard Leisure World. Today I'm going to walk you through the brand new 2025 Transcend 265 BHT. Now, we've had a Transcend 265 BH, but Transcend has split their line, so a little bit more clear. They've switched it to a T at the end, and it also has an outside kitchen now, which I'm really excited about. Let's take a look right off the bat at the storage. You've got full pass-through storage in here. You do have a light over there. You can set it to motion if you want, or just turn it on when you flip the door up. Look up here, you guys. Isn't this cool? They include a portable outside table, so that's awesome. This is also something brand new. It's a little laundry chute in the master bedroom. So open a little door there, tuck the laundry in here, and it unhooks. Super simple. Also, magnetic clasp up here still. Okay, you guys may have noticed the door and stairs behind me when I was standing up there. That's the second entrance into the master. You may or may not ever use that, but it is there if you want it. Solid steps on both of the doorways in here. They both have, that one has the large grab handle. It's got the extended handle on this, so it comes all the way down to the first step. So really nice for safety. Little kids getting up there, you don't have to worry about taking a step or two and grab that grab handle. These guys are doing the automotive glass doors. This year, they just added a little decal to the door, which is nice. You do have that window in there. They're not completely see-through. Don't worry about that. But you can add a thin shade on there, aftermarket if you prefer. Okay, isn't this awesome? So this is the transition into the 2025 line for the 265s. They did the outside kitchen back here. Now you have a cold water spray port over here, so you have access to water. You've got your mini fridge here. And then you've got your griddle, cooktop, and a little bit of storage and a plug-in up here. So really nice feature. They're still doing the backup camera. There is actually an LED light back here as well. So if you guys are back here cooking, you've got some light. Ladder prep, fully walkable roof, you guys, but the ladder prep is separate. So you do have to purchase that ladder aftermarket or just take your own along. As well as the spare tire is mounted over here. We're going to put a nice Minard's Leisure World cover on there for you so you can advertise for us. Okay, this is a little bit different. Last year, because that kitchen wasn't there, you had that wide open storage back here. Obviously, that's taken away with the kitchen, so they still managed to put you in some storage back here. So this exterior storage on this trailer is awesome. Okay, tankless on-demand water heater is what these guys are doing. A lot of our lines are going across the board with those. Set your temperature on demand. So basically hot water as soon as you turn that tap on, couple seconds, give or take. But propane only, so really nice feature to have in the trailer. We're on Parkside. I just want to point out black tank flush on this guy too. And then they're still doing the convenience center as you guys are familiar with. We've got battery disconnect, solar disconnect. We've got coax cables. You've got your water toggle there. So fresh or city, it's going to hook up at the same spot. And take a look at that storage. Once again, you guys, really nice job. Inside the 2025 Transcend 265 BHT, this unit itself is 6,910 pounds. They do come in a little bit differently depending on what options we put in. So we do have the tri-fold sofa. So you do have an extra sleeping space there. Double over double bunks here. We've got storage on the back wall. So hanging storage here. And then you've got two little drawers down there as well. So the kids can throw some knickknacks in there as well as a couple cubbies. So go to Dollarama, get some baskets. I plug them every video. You guys are probably well aware, but they're just practical uses. You've got windows in these bunks as well. They will open. And then beside the couch here, we have this U-shaped dinette. Now this is a really good size. It will also pop down to be another sleeping space. I don't know why you're taking that many people with you, but if you have to, you can. You've got a plug-in behind the table. You've got plug-in and USB over here. I forgot to mention that. And then you've got cubbies underneath each side of the booth as well. So they have changed a few things in the 2025s. The furniture color, the flooring, they've done a little bit different on the countertop and wallboard here. And just some of these nice features here, like a garbage can. You're not finding a garbage can in a lot of our aluminum models, or built-in garbage can, I should say. So that's great. They did take the oven out. That was done in 24, but it's nice to see the nice two big drawers here for practicality. You've got your 3-burner cooktop, hood fan, and your microwave here still. They did a smoked glass finish on the cover doors up here. So this one wraps around, lots of cupboard space in here. This one up here, a little bit more narrow, so your plates aren't going to fit there, but lots of room. So you can see all of this counter space. Now you're likely not standing up here prepping. If you're anything like me, you're going to prep before you go anyways. But if you have to out on the road, you have lots of room to do it. You've got 2 drawers and more storage underneath here, as well as your TV right across from the dinette. It will pull out and swing towards the couch if you want to sit a little bit more comfortably. And then it will also pair with the JBL sound system that comes with the trailer. Okay, I want to point this out, you guys. They Grand Design has done such a good job on this seamless transition from the slide to the main floor. There's no lip. You're not going to stub your toe. The lino throughout. Look at the fridge. Isn't the fridge awesome in this? I just love it. First of all, it's sparkly. That gets me every time. Secondly, double door fridge in a trailer. We're not really seeing this until you get into the big guys. And then you've got your rollout, what's this thing called? Freezer, rollout freezer. And then below the fridge, if you're taking your little fur friends, or leave some kids snacks down there. I don't care, whatever you do, but you have a couple little doggy dishes too. Okay, now this is a pass-through bathroom is what we use the RV terminology for it. It's bigger, it's not for everybody, but the nice thing about this, if you have littles, it's so easy to get them in here, rinse them off in the tub, instead of those little kind of corner bathrooms that we see on some of the units. So right over here, we've got shelving storage here. You do have stacking storage here. If you had a bunch of cups with toothbrushes in there and you needed to put them up there, you've got lots of room. You've got medicine cabinet storage here. You've got a little bit of storage underneath there, which is great. And then right over here, these guys are still doing the porcelain foot flush toilet in the aluminum models, which is great. You've got some towel storage back here, not a ton, but you do have storage underneath the bed if you need to store some more there. A hook over here, the retractable screen door there for the shower. Now, if this makes you nervous with a bunch of little kids, get some hooks, hang up a shower curtain, said and done. But this does give you that opportunity of having a little bit more space in there for your littles. We are at the front of the trailer in case we got all flipped around, you guys. This is the master bedroom. I want to point this out right off the bat because Grand Design does such a good job of the little details on the little features, and just something like that just adds a touch of class to the trailer. So you've got the smoke glass finish on the cover doors up here, all the way past through storage there, so really, really easy. This one has shelving storage in this guy. You've got a drawer down here for some extras. Another great feature these guys have done is the open cubbies at the back of the bed. Each side is going to get the 110 plug as well as the USBs. There's going to be storage underneath the bed as well. I just told you that in the bathroom, but I'll show it to you. You've got enclosed underbed storage. And then, I don't know if you guys can see it. We might just have to show you in the pictures. The little laundry chute I was telling you about right down here. Alrighty, you guys, once again, I am Tamara. Thanks for joining me on the tour of the 2025 Transcend 265 BHT. Beautiful trailer, under 7,000 pounds. So if you want to learn more about this or anything else we have to offer, look us up at minardsleisureworld.com.